Ladies, today I want to share with you my kind of ritual and how I made things happen for me and have the dream life I've ever imagined growing up. I got inspiration to write my first book. It's now on Amazon. Positive Affirmation for Black Women. From what I had gossip saying I did juju, black magic to get to where I am and enjoying this beautiful life. So I thought it would be fair for me to share with you all, my ladies, my daily ritual, what I did to earn me the life I'm living today. Hi ladies, thank you for stopping by today and thank you for watching my other videos. How law of attraction affirmation worked for me. Ladies, law of attraction or affirmation, I didn't invent them, so I won't take credit for that. A lot of people do this law of attraction, affirmation all over the world. I used to be one whom they say can't be anything, but I had to take courage and turn those painful words to my motivation, and I take the risk. Try new things, study to improve myself, and all you can see today is the result. Today, I'm sharing the affirmation that helped me in my journey. When I started doing this, I didn't know what is called law of attraction or affirmation. I was just doing it because of the pain I'm facing and I want to change my situation. Africa will call it prayers, and what I'm going to be sharing with you all today, ladies, it's in the Bible. I'm not a pastor, but I believe in this verse a lot, because this has really helped me in my affirmation journey. According to Mark 11:24, therefore I tell you, whatever you ask for in your prayers, believe that you have received and it will be yours. How it works? Ladies, is you first be thankful to your creator, the universe. Say thank you to the creator. Thank you, Lord, for a beautiful life. Thank you for the hair that I bring. Thank you for etc, etc, etc. Then I start to make my request, asking the universe what you want to attract to your life, how you want your life to be. You can write it down, what you wish to attract, and let it be your daily ritual, your prayers. I usually say it like morning, afternoon, evening, and sometimes I do it more than 3 times in a day. Depends on my frustration. While we're growing up, we have our morning prayers and our evening prayers. So I would suggest to you start with that, since you already have that routine. If you have time, you can do it lunchtime. But for me, I do it consistently because I wanted results. While working, I also do my affirmations. Whenever I remember how I want my life to be, I repeat it over and over again and fully believe in it. For example, you want to attract love to your life. You want to be a millionaire. Tell yourself, I am worthy of love, I'm worthy of respect, I'm worthy of peace, I'm worthy of honor, I'm worthy of dignity. I want all the good things in life. I must be a millionaire. I say all this because I am representation of my ancestors, and there is no one like me in this world. My spirit will never be broken. I will not quit or give room for negative thoughts. Of course, sometimes negative thought comes because we are human beings, but I still am able to fight that thought. I keep pushing to go after my dream and goals until it became a reality. So ladies, there's no juju. This is what I did and worked for me, and I hope it works for you, my ladies. Whatever you want to attract mustn't be what I'm telling. Affirmation, law of attraction, when I discovered it, I told myself this is just like prayer. You will agree with me that this is just like our daily prayers we do in the church. It's your faith and your work that makes it happen. And ladies, please do not forget that these things take time. It's not magic, but continuous practice, being consistent in your practice and working towards it brings result. Because I told you I started this journey by asking the universe since 2008, if I'm correct. And of course I had ups and downs. Ladies, if you don't add action to your planning or your affirmation, your law of attraction, your request, then there's no guarantee that law of attraction or affirmation will work for you. To help you in this journey, ladies, I have listed more of my ritual, my daily affirmation. It's now on Amazon. I will be glad if you share this video and also inform more women that they can do it without black magic for the life I'm living today. I don't struggle for things anymore, aside from raising kids, of course. But aside from that, the journey is very soft now. It's not like how I started it. So I'm putting this video out, ladies. It's easy. When you get my book, a lot of recitation. It's not huge. You can get an audio book, so it will be easy for those that don't like reading, they prefer the voice. Not so big. It's something you can read through in a day or two. Since there was assumption that it was black magic did it for me, I thought it would be fair for me to thank the universe by sharing my story, how it happened. Okay, maybe black magic works, but it never worked for me. If I can do it, you too can, my ladies. Just pray and take action because it all depends on you.